नमस्कार दोस्तों, अतुल्य कोचिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं सीटीपी के लिए 30 क्वेश्चन का सेट, और ये 30 क्वेश्चन प्रीवियस ईयर में आया हुआ है, इसीलिए कमिंग ईयर के लिए बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये, ठीक है। और इसमें जो कुछ खास बात ध्यान रखना है वो समझ लीजिए। एक प्रश्न के लिए आपके पास जो मैक्सिमम टाइम है वो है 60 सेकेंड, यानी कि 1 मिनट। लेकिन हमारा प्रयास ये होना चाहिए 25, 30, 35, 40 इतने सेकंड में यदि हम इसका जवाब दे लेते हैं तो इसको हम एक अच्छी तैयारी मानेंगे, ठीक है। और दूसरा पॉइंट है कि यह आप एक टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, टेस्ट को आप टेस्ट ही समझिए। ऐसा नहीं कि चलो पहला क्वेश्चन देखा, उसके बाद स्किप करके 10वां क्वेश्चन देख लिया, फिर 15वां क्वेश्चन देख लिया, फिर 25वां देख लिया और इस तरह से टेस्ट पूरा हो गया। इससे आपको कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है। और यदि आप इस तरह से स्किप करने वाले हो तो प्लीज़ इसको आगे मत देखिए, आपके काम का नहीं है, ठीक है। ये टेस्ट पेपर है और बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट पेपर है। ये उनके लिए है जो कि एक अच्छे स्टूडेंट है और जो कि सीटेट पास करना चाहता है, ठीक है। तो ये कुछ सावधानी है, आप ज़रूर ध्यान में रखेंगे, यानी कि हर एक क्वेश्चन को बहुत ही कंसंट्रेशन के साथ देखिए। आप ये भी ध्यान रखना कि यदि आपके पास टाइम है, आप बिल्कुल फ्री टाइम में हो, तभी इस वीडियो को देखिए। हड़बड़ी है तो मत देखिए इसको, ठीक है। तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, इंस्ट्रक्शन देखिए, जो डायरेक्शन आपके सामने लिखा हुआ है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस बाय सेलेक्टिंग द करेक्ट मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस। पहला ऑप्शन देखिए इसमें दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। ये देखिए क्या कह रहा है यहाँ पर, द डेवलपमेंट फ्रॉम सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी टुवर्ड्स पेरिफेरीज और एक्सट्रीमिटीज डिनोट्स द। ऑप्शन नंबर 1 principles of radiated development, option number 2 principles of decentralized development, number 3 principle of proximodistal development, number 4 principle of cascade development। इस 4 पॉइंट में से एक कोई सही है और उस सही पॉइंट को ढूंढना है आपको। क्वेश्चन देखिए, आप जितने ही बारीकी से समझेंगे, जितने ही कंसंट्रेशन के साथ समझेंगे, जवाब उतना ही जल्दी मिलेगा, ध्यान रखिए। इसलिए क्वेश्चन मैं फिर से आपके स्क्रीन पर लाता हूँ। ये देखिए क्वेश्चन, दोबारा पढ़िए और उसके बाद मैं ऑप्शन फिर आपको दोबारा दिखाता हूँ। 4 ऑप्शन इसका दिया हुआ है, ये भी मैं आपको दोबारा दिखाता हूँ। ऑप्शन नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3 एंड नंबर 4। चलिए मैं इसका सही जवाब बताता हूँ। इसका सही जवाब है 3, आई मीन प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ प्रॉक्सिमोडिस्टल डेवलपमेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, दूसरा जो क्वेश्चन है, ये देखिए क्या कह रहा है, स्कूल इज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन वेयर। नंबर 1 स्कूल चिल्ड्रन ऑक्यूपाई द सेंट्रल पोजीशन, नंबर 2 स्कूल रूटीन्स ऑक्यूपाई द सेंट्रल पोजीशन, नंबर 3 स्कूल एक्टिविटीज ऑक्यूपाई द सेंट्रल पोजीशन, नंबर 4 school teachers occupy the central position. Any one answer is absolutely correct. You have to find out which one is the right answer. This is your question, and this question has 4 options which are below. Option number 1, option number 2, option number 3 and option number 4. Only one option is absolutely right. Choose the right option. Yeah, I am going to tell you the correct answer. This one, I mean first one is the correct answer. School children occupy the central position. Next question number 3. If you join a teacher fraternity and choose the question number 3. If you join a teacher fraternity and choose to dress like most of the others in your group, you are exhibiting number 1 group identity, number 2 obedience, number 3 compliance, number 4 conformity. Find the right option. Which one is correct? This is your question, and this question has 4 different options. Any one is absolutely right. You have to find out the right option. You have 4 different option. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, I'm going to tell you the right option. Fourth one is the right option. This one, conformity. This is the right option of question number 3. Question number 4. The concept of object permanence is attained during Piaget's dash stage of development. Number 1, sensorimeter. Number 2, pre-operational. Number 3, concrete operational. Number 4, formal operational. You have 4 different options. You have to find out. Question number 4 is there. Check it out. Read this question again, and on the basis of this question you have 4 different options. Try to find out. Option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which one is correct? Question number 4. First one is the correct answer. This one is sensorimeter. Next question, question number 5. Individualized education program is planned from the perspective of option number 1, a special education program. Number 2, child-centered education program. Number 3, open school education program. Number 4, e-learning education program. You have 4 different options, and this is your question. Choose the right answer. Question number 5, choose the right answer. Option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, option number 4. Which one is the right answer? So question number 5, right answer is second one, child-centered education program. Question number 6. Between dash months of age, most children begin to combine words into short sentence while speaking. Option number 1, 12 and 18. Option number 2, 18 and 24. Option number 3, 24 and 30. Option number 4, 30 and 36. You have here 4 different options, and your question is here. Read this question again, and on the basis of this question find out which one is the right answer out of these 4 options. These are 4 options. Find out. Question number 6, choose the correct answer. Second one is the right answer. I mean 18 and 24. This is the right answer of this question. Next question, question number 7. The concept of intelligence quotient or IQ was developed by Galton, Binet, Stern and Terman. You have 4 different options, and your question is here. Read this question again and try to find out the right answer. You have 4 options. Any one is correct. Choose that option. Question number 7. Right option is third, Stern. Next question, question number 8. Creativity is thought to be related to the concept of option number 1, fluid intelligence. Number 2, crystallized intelligence. Number 3, convergent thinking. Number 4, divergent thinking. 4 options are there, and your question is here. Read this question again and find the correct option. Find the right answer. You have 4 different options. Find out correct answer. Question, this one is 8th question. Question number 8. And the right answer is Fourth one, that is divergent thinking. Question number 9. The acceptable sound combination of a language are specified. Question number 9. The acceptable sound combinations of a language are specified in its dash rules: phonological, grammatical, syntactic, and the fourth one, inflection. Any one is correct. You have to choose that correct answer. This is your question, and try to find out the right answer. Option number 1, option number 2, 3 and 4. Only one is correct. I am going to tell you the right answer. First one is correct answer, phonological. Next question. The position where thought patterns are influenced by language is called, first option, cultural tendency. Second one, linguistic determination. Third one, cognitive bias. Fourth one, sociolinguistic genesis. 4 options are there. You have to find out the correct answer. This is your question number 10, and find out correct answer. Out of these 4 options, find out which one is correct. I am going to tell you the right answer of question number 10. This one is second, that is linguistic determination. Question number 11. Ravi repairs appliances by testing hypothesis about the cause of the malfunction based on his experiences with the symptoms he uses. First one, insight. Second one, algorithms. Third one, mental test. And fourth one, heuristics. Which one is right? You have to find out. Find out the correct answer on the basis of this question. Ravi repairs appliances by testing hypothesis about the cause of the malfunction based on his experiences with the symptoms he uses. First one, insight. Second one, algorithms. Third one, mental set. And fourth one, heuristics. The right answer of question number 11 is fourth one, that is heuristics. Next question, question number 12. Divya often divides the assigned job into small tasks which she can handle easily. She is using option number 1, reductionism. Option number 2, secondary elaboration. Option number 3, sub-goal analysis. Option number 4, functional fixedness. So these are 4 different options for this question, and try to find out which one is right. Question number 12, the right option you have to find out. Right option. The correct answer of this question is third one, that is sub-goal analysis. Next question, question number 13. Society determines the roles of male and female. This statement articulates: number 1, gender as an inherent construct. Number 2, gender as a hereditary endowment. Number 3, gender as an intuitive construct. Number 4, gender as a social construct. 4 options are there, and this is your question. Society determines the role of male and female. This statement articulates. Find out the right answer. Which one is right? Try to choose. Question number 13. 4 options are there and find out the right answer. This fourth number is right answer. So gender as social construct. Question number 14. Grading, coding, making and credit accumulation system are some of the examples of number 1 evaluation procedure of answer sheet of the examination, number 2 symbolizing position of children in the class, number 3 depicting the academic program in report card, number 4 a scoring procedure of assessment of learners achievement. 4 options are there and this is your question. Read this question again and try to find out which one is the right answer. Question number 14 and these are 4 different options. Which one is correct? Fourth one is the correct answer, that is a scoring procedure of assessment of learners achievement. This one is the right answer of question number 14. Next question number 15. Assessment of learners achievement helps the teacher to number 1 maintain the performance record of learners, number 2 evaluate the effectiveness of pedagogy, number 3 make ability grouping of learners in the classroom, number 4 prepare activity log for teaching. Any one is correct, find out the right answer. This is your question. Question number 15. Choose the right answer. Which option is correct? You have to find out. Question number 15. You have 4 options. You have to find out. Option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right option is second one, evaluate the effectiveness of pedagogy. This one is the right answer. Next question, question number 16. Inclusive education is based on the principle of number 1 social equilibrium, number 2 equity and equal opportunities, number 3 social existence and globalization, number 4 world brotherhood. These are 4 options and this is your question. Find out the correct answer. Question number 16. Find out the right option. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am going to tell you the right answer. Second one is the right answer, equity and equal opportunities. Next question number 17. The Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act has been enacted in the year. Option number 1 92, option number 3 95, option number 99 and option number 2016. You have 4 different years and find out the correct year. Right of Persons with Disabilities Act. 17 is the right answer, 2016. Fourth one. Question number 18. Children with individual differences should be taught in a school having teachers. Number 1 to teach in different sections of classroom based on their individual differences. Number 2 trained to use different pedagogy to meet their diverse learning needs. Number 3 trained to teach children with specific individual differences. Number 4 trained to make them homogeneous learners. These are 4 different options. You have to find out. These are 4 options. Find out. This is your question. And Hindi medium of the same questions have been uploaded. If you want to get, you can say questions in Hindi of all these questions, you can check it out on this channel. Atulya Coaching. We have uploaded the same questions in Hindi medium also. You can check it out. So you have here 4 different options. Find out the right one. Which one is correct? Question number 18. The right answer is second one. Trained to use different pedagogy to meet their diverse learning needs. Question number 19. The right of children to free. Question number 19. The right of children to free and compulsory education Act 2009 ensures the rights of children with disabilities to free education from option number 1 6 years to 18 years, number 2 3 years to 18 years, number 3 6 years to 14 years, number 4 6 years to 22 years. This is your options and this is your questions. Try to find out. Any one is correct. Which one is that question? Only one is correct. You have to choose that options. Question number 19 and option number 1, that is 6 years to 18 years is the right answer. Question number 20. Providing teaching learning materials in accessible formats to the diverse learners implies number 1 universal inclusive education's ethical considerate, number 2 universal code of teaching practice, number 3 universal humanistics approach of teaching, number 4 universal design of learning. 4 different options are there. First, second, third, fourth, and find out the correct options. This is your questions. Read out this question again and on the basis of this question find out correct options. Question number 20. Option number 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is the right option. Universal design of learning. Next question 21. Dash involves self-awareness and control of cognitive abilities, that is planning, reviewing and revising, etc. Option number 1 centration, number 2 metacognition, number 3 cognition, number 4 accommodation. Read this question again, question number 21, and find out the right options, correct answer of these questions. 4 different options are there and this is your question. Option number 1, 2, 3, 4. The right option is second one, metacognition. This answer is correct. Second one is the right answer, this one. Next question number 22. When children think to interpret the received information according to their experience, it is called option number 1 reflective thinking, number 2 creative thinking, number 3 abstract thinking, number 4 concrete thinking. This is your question number 22. Read this question again and try to find out the answer. When children think to interpret the received information according to their experience, it is called. Option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right option is fourth one, that is concrete thinking. Question number 23. Teaching learners at varying levels of difficulty based on the ability of individual learners is known as. Option number 1, differentiated instruction. Number 2, selective instruction. Number 3, precision teaching. Number 4, errorless instruction. 4 option is there, and this is your question. Find out the correct answer. Which one is correct? Option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first one is the right answer. Differentiated instruction. Question number 24. Maintenance is the specific stage of learning which is antecedent to dash stage of learning. Which one is correct? Acquisition, motivation, independent and generalization. Question number 24. You have 4 different options. What should be placed in place of dash? I mean in place of blanks. 4 options is there. You have to find out the correct option. Question number 24 is the right option, generalization. 4th number is correct answer. Number 25. Question number 25. Jajong believes that cognition and emotions are. Question number 25. Jajong believes that cognition and emotion are. Option number 1, interdependent. Number 2, independent. Number 3, interrelated. Number 3, interrelated. Number 4, integrated. So which option should be correct? This is your question. Four options are there. Find out any one is correct. Which one is that? Question number 25. Which one is correct? Second one is correct. Independent. 25th. Now 26th question. A teacher is teaching children by demonstration of a task to correct the performance of an already learned task. He is using dash method of teaching. Option number 1, imitation. Number 2, observation. Number 3, correction. Number 4, modeling. This is your questions. Read this question again, and on the basis of this question find out the correct options. 4 options are there: imitations, observations, corrections, modeling. Question number 26 is the right option is 4th one, that is modeling. Question number 27. According to Mann and Janis, decision maker children analyze the problem, list the alternatives and weigh each option for its advantage and disadvantage. His behavior reflects: number 1, surveillance. Number 2, vigilant. Number 3, outgoing. Number 4, autocratic. Which one is correct? According to Mann and Janis. Read this question again and Find out the right answer. Option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 27. Second one is the right answer, vigilant. According to this question, second one is the right answer. Question number 28. In dash thinking, a child is. Question number 28. In dash thinking, a child as a problem solver evaluates the truth or likelihood of statements. Number 1, creative. Number 2, aesthetic. Number 3, abstract. Number 4, logical. Which one is the correct answer? Find out. Option number 28. Question and answer. Read this question and try to find out answer. 28. The right answer is fourth one, that is logical. Question number 29. The task in which the children get experience while enjoying themselves is known as. First one, drill and practice task. Second one, consumer type task. Third one, producer type task. Fourth one, problem type task. 29th. Question number 29. The task in which the children get experience while enjoying themselves is known as. 4 options are there. Choose the right one. Question number 29. The correct option is second, consumer type task. Question number 30. Multisensory approach in teaching learning is the simultaneous use of visual, auditory, tactile and dash senses to enhance learning. Option number 1, kinesthetic. Number 2, vestibular. Number 3, perceptual. Number 4, observational. This is your question. Read this question again, and on the basis of this question find out which one is correct. 4 options are there. Choose which one is correct options. Question number 30. The first one is the correct option, kinesthetic. And this is the last question of this set. I mean, we completed here sets of 30 questions, and these all questions have been asked in previous year. So these questions are very important for your coming examinations. Okay, and be ready for that. And if you find any problem, if you want to just tell me something, you can comment us. Okay, and if you are new on this channel and if you want to get such types of, you can say, question set continuously, you have to just subscribe this channel. This is very simple. Just click on subscribe and hit notification bell on to get all updates from this site. Okay, and if you think this was really very nice and this was very, you can say, goal achieving sets of questions, you can share this sets of questions to your friends and like this video. We shall meet again with next sets of you can say very important questions. Okay, and thank you for joining this test, and thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.